This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Free play. Oh, awesome. Let's build something bigger, one step at a time. Get the artist to the center of the play area using the, jump to middle center position block. Then use the draw sticker block to make something appear. Oh, we get to pick. Press finish when you are happy with what you have made. Okay. So I need jump to middle center, which is, oh good, they label it. Jump to middle center. Okay, well, let's see what that does. Oh yeah, I can slow it down a bit. But I just, boop, appear. Alright, and then it says now use, I need to reset. Draw sticker. What options? Whoa, we got some options. Llama. Ooh, a goat. A robot. Ooh, these are all good. And I am going with this guy. Great. And let's see. Awesome. Yep, mine looks like that, except it's this guy. Anyways, onward.